Welcome, my dear students. Now we will discuss that Spurgear terminology. So, at Spurgear terminology, or we can say as this is that terms used in gears. Okay. First, in this we are having so many terms are there. What are there? First one is pitch circle. Second one is pitch circle diameter, and second one is pitch point, pitch surface, and pressure angle and angle of obliquity, and addendum, addendum circle, dedendum circle, circular pitch, and diametrical pitch, and module, clearance, total depth, working depth, tooth thickness, backlash, face of the tooth, topland, blank of the tooth, face width, profile, path of contact, length of the contact, length of the path of the contact, arc contact, arc of approach, arc of recess. Okay, these are the terms we are having. We can use this terminology. Now, important terminology, we can see that. First one is a circular pitch or pitch circle. It is an imaginary circle by which the pure rolling action and we give the same motion of the actual gear. So, it is that pure imaginary circle. There is no actual this thing. We can imagine it, and then this imaginary pure rolling action means gear is rotating. No, that's why that we are going to imaginary. We are going to imaginating that one, and the motion of the actual gear. How that motion of the gear will be there, we are going to finding out. But this circle is called as imaginary circle. Next, pitch circle diameter. What is that pitch circle diameter? The diameter of the pitch circle is that gear is actually specified pitch circle diameter. We can also call it as a pitch of the diameter. It is the diameter of pitch circle. So from pitch circle, it is that diameter is called as pitch circle diameter. So pitch circle is that how much circle diameter will be there. That diameter we are going to calling as pitch circle diameter. And pitch point, it's a common point contact between two pitch circles. Two pitch circle. What is a pitch circle? It is an imaginary circle for rotating a gear. So pitch surface, the surface that rolling gates which meshing the gears have replaced at the pitch circle. So these are the two meshing gears, and we are going to replace in that pitch circle, that is called as pitch surface. Another one more important term is pressure angle. Pressure angle, we can say it is also called as angle of obliquity. Angle of obliquity. It is that angle of obliquity is the common normal of the two gear teeth of the point common to the tangent to that point. Tangent to that point. Okay, that's why we are going to calling as this is a pressure angle. So pressure angle, it is we are going to usually denoted by phi. We are going to denoted by phi. So that is we are going to denoting by phi. Okay, it is going to be denoted by pi. Next, generally the pressure angle will be there 14.5 degrees and 20 degrees. So next, addendum. What is that? Addendum is that radial distance of the tooth is called as addendum, and the same time dedendum, the radial distance of the tooth from the pitch circle from bottom end is called as dedendum, and addendum is called as radial distance of the tooth of the pitch circle from the top of the tooth. So that is called as addendum and dedendum. Addendum and dedendum. So now we can see that diametrical pitch circle means dedendum pitch circle. So dedendum pitch circle is a circle drawn through the bottom of the teeth. It is also called as root circle. Root circle or addendum circle is called as same. Another dedendum circle, it is also called as a root circle, and a circle drawn from the bottom of the tooth. So that is called as a dedendum circle. Now we will see that circular pitch. Circular pitch is very most important in this our gears. Circular pitch, we are it is that measure of the central circumference of the pitch circle from the point of one tooth corresponding to the next tooth. One tooth to the next tooth corresponding, we are going to measuring that diameter is called as circular pitch. So circular pitch P is equal to PC is equal to, we are going to denote it by PC, that PC is equal to pi into d by t. What is the d? D is the diameter of the pitch circle, t is that number of teeth on that wheel. So that is that. Now we will see that diametrical pitch. What is that diametrical pitch? That is denoted by PD, that is equal to t by d, that is equal to pi by PC, where t is that number of teeth, d is equal to diametrical pitch circle diameter. So PC is equal to, we know that pitch circle diameter, pi d by t. So that is a diametrical pitch. So we are going to define as, it is the ratio of number of teeth of the pitch circle diameter in millimeters. So next, one more important term is called as module. One more term is called as module. So this module we are going to discussing, it is the ratio of pitch circle diameter to the number of teeth on the gear. Mathematically we can express module m is equal to, it is denoted by small m, that is equal to m is equal to d by t, capital D by t. So another one is, we want to discuss backlash. What is that backlash of the gear? Backlash of the gear, it is the difference between tooth space and tooth thickness. Tooth space and tooth thickness is called as backlash. It's a very important term in gears. It is the difference between tooth space and tooth thickness is called as backlash. Another terms, face width of the tooth. What is that face width of the tooth? We can see that face width of the, it is the surface of the tooth above pitch surface. Next, topland. It is the surface of the top of the tooth. And we can see that tooth thickness, it is the width of the tooth measured along the pitch circle. It is called as a tooth thickness. Some of the tooth thickness, we can see that what is the 20 degrees of full depth, what is the 20 degrees of stub, and 25 degrees of full depth. So here we are clearly mentioned that addendum will be that 1 by p, that 0.8 by p, 1 by p, and the dedendum is 1.25 by divided by p, and 1 by p, 1.25 by p. So these are the different commonly we are going to using standard tooth systems for stub gears. Tooth thickness 1.571 divided by p, 1.571 divided by p for 20 degrees, for as well as 25 degrees also same. Hole depth, we can see that 2.25 divided by p, and 1.8 by p, and 2.25 by p. So these are the things. Now we will see that one diagram of that, how that terminology of the definition clearly. So addendum circle I shown, pitch circle, dedendum circle, and flat thickness, and clearance circle, and clearance, and topland, face, and flank, and working depth, addendum, dedendum, and pitch circle and everything I shown on the teeth of that terminology of this gears. So this generally pinion is smaller for mating gears, that is we are denoted by TINI is equal to T2N2. Another one is DINI is equal to D2N2. So C is equal to D1 by D2 into 2. So then speed ratio we can calculate as N1 by N2 plus gear ratio is T2 by T1. Okay, thank you.